best picture of this seminar. Okay, ready? So are we ready?
Yes.
Yes! That is better. Okay. So keep standing. Keep standing. Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions and you're going to answer them. The answers are only yes or no. There's no question of maybe. There's no maybe there. So, when I ask you a question, if the answer is yes, you will say yes. Can I see the demonstration? Do that?
Yes.
A little better than that. Yes. And if it is no, you will say no. Let's see you doing that. Good. So here are some questions for you. Is leadership different for men and women? Are women and men equal in climbing the leadership ladder?
Yes.
Very good. Do women have the leadership acumen?
Yes.
It could be louder than that, actually. What I know is that it is better yes than that. Okay. Is the environment fair to women leaders?
Yes.
There's a mix of no, and yes. Okay. More no's. Can women perform better than men as leaders?
Yes.
I promise you they can. You know, in the last 14 years that I've been out of the army, in the army I never had women to work with. Okay, but in the last 14 years, thousands of women who have come in corporate programs and all, and an outbound environment. And I've always told them, and not to please them, and not to get their brownie points, but I really found that they did better than men even in outdoors. Whether it was climbing a wall, whether it was climbing a rope, they did as well, if not better. Okay, I'll tell you the problem later. Okay, can women perform better than men as leaders?
Yes.
So many women have made it to the same environment where when you say the environment is not conducive. Okay, if the environment was not really conducive, then you wouldn't have had so many women, and they're not all. Many of you are doing it as good and you're not here. Yeah. So therefore, what I want you to realize is, can we stop complaining and cripple?
Yes.
Absolutely.
You have to face the environment as it is. So today I'm not going to spend any time in how women should be given better respect, or women should be treated well, or there should be equal opportunities for women. I'm not talking of that. Why? Because can we do something about this rough sea?
No.
But what we can do is learn to swim. Can we learn to swim in this rough, unknown, unpredictable sea?
Yes.
Let's have that yes better. Can we do that?
Yes.
Great. Okay, so I need a volunteer. But before that, how many of you have done workshops with me before or know me? Please raise your hands. Okay. Soumya is not there.